Bhavani Thuraisingham is the Founders Chair Professor of Computer Science and the founding Executive Director of the Cybersecurity Research and Education Institute at the University of Texas at Dallas. Over her 42-year career, she has educated a global community on integrating cybersecurity and data science and machine learning, with over 200 featured addresses and hundreds of technical publications. She is a highly recognized professional bringing decades of industry experience into the classroom. She is an established educator and author of 15 broadly influential textbooks used by students as well as practicing professionals. She is also a leader in curriculum development and tireless mentor to marginalized groups in computer science.
People are comfortable with people who are like them or look like them. And as a result, women and marginalized communities, right, they have a disadvantage because they have no one to help them understand the culture of the organization, who they should talk to. For the junior colleagues, I tell them, and I mentor a lot of my colleagues and students, so I tell them, find a mentor. I think of, I've accomplished a lot, but I don't let it go to my head because there's still so much to do.
For outstanding leadership in cybersecurity education and data science education, as well as mentorship of members of systemically marginalized groups, we present the 2023 Taylor L. Booth Education Award to Bhavani Thuraisingham.